Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'm here with the October Paper Pumpkin Kit. I am so excited. This one is called Winter Woods, and this particular Paper Pumpkin Kit will coordinate with next month's Paper Pumpkin Kit, and I'm excited for that as well. So let's see, how do I open it up? Oh, they've changed the opening a little bit, so I'm going to use my scissors and open the packaging, and let's get started and see what we have. So this is the October 2019, and it's called Winter Wonders. Oh, this one is Winter Woods. The November will be Winter Wonders. This is a card kit, and the November one will be a tag kit. So I am super excited. So here's a little flyer with that. Here is our stamping spot for this month, and it was Night of Navy. And here is our little stamp set. Oh wow, so the sentiments are season's greetings, winter wishes, and wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Then there's a snowflake, a little cardinal, and like little snowflakes, little dots. Hopefully you can see that as well. Cool. So let's see what we have inside. Always, or most of the time always, the Paper Pumpkin paper, which is blue. This is a cute little box. I like that. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. And I am excited because I am behind on making my Christmas cards, and this will be perfect for me to get a little bit of a jump start. Well, continue on making my Christmas cards, because this is a Christmas themed kit. So first things first, winter wood instructions. This kit makes 10 cards, and on the back it has the instruction, what your kit includes, and some alternatives. So I think I'm going to do maybe 1 or 2 alternatives, and I'll try to post that in a couple of days. I know I say that a lot, but I don't get a chance to post, but I'm really going to try this time. So your kit, the coordinating colors for this particular kit are Early Espresso, Night of Navy, Pool Party, Poppy Parade, and Shaded Spruce. And inside are full instructions on how to put the cards together. 4 simple steps. So if you are not a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, what it is that it's a monthly subscription for a kit. Inside could be almost anything, meaning it could be cards, it could be tags, it could be little treat boxes or treat bags, or even calendars. There's lots of different things that it could be, but it's a monthly subscription. And if you think this is something that you would like to receive, I'll leave a link below on how you can subscribe to the monthly kit of Paper Pumpkin. You'll have to subscribe by October 10th, by the 10th of each month to receive that month's kit. So there's still lots of time to receive the kit for November. So let's put this aside and see what else is in our kit. I do have my own snail adhesive, but more than likely you'll have everything that you'll need inside the kit to make the products. With your very first subscription to Paper Pumpkin, you'll also receive a little like a D-size block, and you'll use that over and over again for your kits. So you'll have just about everything that you'll need. One of the things that you always get is that they package it really well with a piece of cardboard. I save this for lots of different things. You can make part of covers for a mini album. If you're mailing something and you needed something to be a little bit more sturdy, you can use that. So I always save the cardboard. So, well, let's go on this way. So right away I see we have some like little snowflakes. Cute. And we also have some mini glue dots. So like again, you'll have just about everything that you'll need to complete the kit. Let's move this over out of the way and see what we have here. So first of all, we have the card bases themselves, and they're all the same. So you get 10 cards, and if you didn't want to do anything else with this card kit but fold this over and send it as it is, maybe stamp a little sentiment on there with a sentiment that you already have in another kit, you'll be fine to do so, because this is really pretty. But these are our card bases, and they also gave us envelopes for the cards. They're a regular A2 size card, and so you'll see that it's kind of outlined in the silver metallic foil. And look at the inside. It's like a little, like little trees. That's cute. So they're already lined on the inside. Here are some tags, or actually, no, not tags. A little embellishment of a wood. Oh, this is two. Yeah, you get 2 sheets of these. Okay. So these are little wood embellishments. We'll see how all this kind of coordinates together in a little bit. We have 10 tags or flags, however you want to call them, for actually 12. So you have some extras if you want to do some extras. Probably for our sentiments. And let's see what's inside this little goodie bag. Is it already opened? Oh, I don't need my scissors. It can open itself. Reusable bag for your goodies. That's great. So we have some mini glue dots. We have some little cardinals going in the left and right direction. Let me pull some out so you can kind of see those as well. Oh, those are really, really small. Little cardinals. Cute, cute, cute. So I'm going to push those aside because we will be using those. And here are some other elements. It looks like it's the trees. Okay. These actually pop right out, come out really easily. You know, if you wanted to, you could save this part. Oh my gosh, it's a sparkling. It's shimmer paper. I don't know if you can kind of see that or not. It's shimmer. So you could actually cut this the little bottom part off and use this part as a stencil for something if you wanted to do another card. That would be great. So this pops out, and that's on shimmer paper. Really, really pretty. And we have 10 of those, and that's it. So you see, these will go together really, really quickly. Let me move some of these things out of the way, and we'll get started and put one together. Okay, let's be ready to get started. I think the first thing that I'm going to do is just go ahead and stamp the sentiment. And I'm going to use Season's Greetings. However, if you don't wish to use Season's Greetings and you want something a little bit more generic, say that you missed sending out Christmas cards, but you do want to send out a card during the holiday season or just because card, you can use Winter Wishes. And I'm going to do that for probably a card as well. I'm going to save the stamping spot, and I'm going to use my own ink pad. I like to save my stamping spots for when I go like on a trip or something and I take some crafting things with me. That way I have some stamp sets. From some ink pads, but not the full one, and it takes a lot less space when doing that. So I'm going to ink this up pretty good, and I'm going to have to pull this down. Hopefully, sorry if I'm out of camera, I have to pull it down so I can see. But the good thing with photopolymer, you can see exactly where you stamp, and hopefully this is okay. Pretty good, right there in the center. So I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to bring in the card. So what they say, these are like little snowflakes falling down. So, you know what? I'm going to, I'll do the first one as is. I'll stamp it up, and we'll just do some snowflakes falling. Cute, cute, cute. And I'll do this one on an angle. And I'll set that aside, and I'll set this one aside. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the tree branches. Now there's a shimmery side and a plain side, so make sure that you you add it in the right direction. They give you mini glue dots, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use my own glue dots. If I can find where I did, oh, here they are. I think these are a bit bigger, and I like, for traveling, I like to save these because this is really, really small as compared to that. I try to do a really packing and moving stuff, because I have a tendency, if I go out of town and I take stuff with me, I have a tendency to take everything. I just take so much stuff, and I don't need to do that. Is anyone else like that? Probably so. So with the mini glue dots, even though I'm going to save those, and I have some other ones, they're small enough where they can go on some of the branches. So we're going to pop these up to give the branches a little dimension. Make sure that I can't see it on the other side. Yeah, you can cut these in half, but I don't think I'm being a little lazy today. I'm not going to cut these in half. And I will set one there. And that's good for right now. So I'll move that aside, and we'll just take the backings off of all of these. So how are you all doing? Please leave me a comment below. I love to hear from you all. I have been busy, and I haven't had a chance to make many videos, and I'm sorry about that. So now this lines up at the very bottom of the page of the card. That's so easy to do. And they stick down with the glue dots, so there's some dimension there. Another wood element. I think I'm going to use my snail on this. I'm going to put that like right in the middle of that, like that. And this one they're going to pop up on some dimensionals as well. So I'm going to set the dimensionals on here like so. I'll move the paper backing. There we go. And the last couple things to do are these mini little bitty cardinals. Now I'm going to use these mini glue dots. Again, I do have my own, but these seem to be smaller than the ones that I do have myself. So that's cool. They have a little paper backing. You can take that off. And it's really hard to see, but you just adhere the glue dot to the back of the cardinal and place that wherever you would like to place your little cardinal. Oh, paper comes off, which is good. And we'll put it on the body of the cardinal. Okay, now where did that go? Oh, it never came off. And we're going to set this one up a little higher. I'll set it up on that one. And there you go. But the other thing that I'm going to do, you know what? I'm going to do that afterwards. I want to stamp a sentiment on the inside. They do have one where it says, wishing you, what did I say it said? I'll turn it around so I can see. Okay. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. So I'm going to stamp that on the inside in the Night of Navy. And I'm going to have my Christmas cards, or some of them, ready to go. So I'm just going to do that right in the middle. Cool, cool, cool. So the last thing that they say that you can do, you can add them either with a glue dot, the mini glue dot, or you can do your wet adhesive, whichever one you would prefer. I'm going to crease that with my bone folder. And that are these little mini snowflakes. Now okay, so if you have the instructions, they let you know that you can use 5 per card. They have enough where you can use 5 per card. So that's kind of awesome as well. I think I might use, my little wet adhesive. I'm giving a little piece of, just a little dot. And this glue does dry clear, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, which would be best to pick it up with? I should take your pick tool, but I did not do that earlier. And this looks like it's 2. Oh, it's 3. So I'm going to get these off of my fingers. Oh, it's 2 of them. That's why they stuck like that. And there you have it. Everything is all together, and then we have the what did I do with the envelopes? Usually I say no naked envelopes, but it's so pretty with the foiling around it. I don't think I want to take away from the foiling. So there you have it, my friends. This is the first of 10 cards that you can make with this particular kit. Again, if you're interested in the kit, please leave me a comment below, or I will leave a link below where you can just go ahead and subscribe for next month's Paper Pumpkin kit, which coordinates with this one, which are gift tags. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you stopping by and visiting me on my channel. I'll be back soon with another video, so make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, and you'll be notified of future videos when I do release them. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day, and I'll be back real soon with some more videos. Bye!